How much does resolution matter with DTF printing? A lot. Well, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. Just kidding. You know we're not going to leave you with that lame answer. You need your graphics to be 300 pixels per inch. Side note, I will use pixels per inch or PPI and dots per inch or DPI interchangeably. They mean basically the same thing, just one's for screen resolutions and the other one's for printer resolutions. Most people don't realize that web-based graphics are only 72 PPI. They may be editing their graphic in a software that says their image is 10 inches wide, but at 72 PPI, that's only enough pixels to print a 2.3 inch image with DTF. Let me show you. Here are 6 images, all the same size, 5 inches, but with resolutions varying from 300 DPI to 72 DPI. On the front, you'll notice the lower resolution one is grainy and the edges are not clear. They're kind of blurry. You'll also notice a white halo around the graphic. And no, that's not the white underbase peeking out. It happens when the software and the printer are trying to fill in the missing pixels. You'll notice the same white halo on the 100, 150, and even a little bit on the 200 DPI resolution. If we look at the back of the print, the difference in clarity is even more dramatic. Now, pressing them on a shirt, we can get an idea of what the final result might look like. Can you get away with a resolution less than 300 DPI? Maybe 250, but any lower than that and your quality will suffer. Now, I know what you're thinking. How can I get my customers to send me graphics that are the correct resolution? I suggest simply being clear about your expectations. Say something along the lines of all artwork must be 300 PPI. If you want a graphic printed 8 inches wide, it must be 2400 pixels wide. Then charge them for your time to resize and clean up their artwork. If the graphics are not sized properly, an artwork charge will apply. Something like that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.